Watching what's going on with the weather as well this morning. Temperatures, well, it's a little bit on the mild side as we're starting off 36 degrees. Notice the winds out of the east, 14 miles an hour. We do have the wind speeds between 10 to 20 miles an hour today. Could see wind gusts topping 30 miles an hour. You'll also, I want to just point out, we'll get back to it, but notice that the winds are coming in out of the east. That's important with how the setup is for snow today. Barometer 29 and 7/10 of an inch, and our dew point coming in at 14 degrees. We do have some light moisture trying to sneak in from the south. This is along a warm front that is pushing by. In fact, we'll zoom out, show you the area of low pressure. It'll turn into a nor'easter right along the east coast. Strong wind speeds will be associated with this and some heavier snow along the coast. You can see also some pockets of kind of some freezing rain, a little bit of snow just off to the east. Parts of Garrett and Allegheny County and parts of Maryland are dealing with that. Let's talk about our advisories. We do have advisories in place. We have a winter weather advisory in place for pretty much everywhere south of I-80 in western Pennsylvania. If you're heading off to the east, a winter storm warning is in effect for Bedford. Somerset County also will be under that, and that's where we expect our largest totals of upwards of 3 to 7 inches. Could even see some very isolated areas that see more than that. Now for the Pittsburgh area, we're still looking at about 1 to 3, pretty good amount of snow. As we're heading into the spring months, spring does start this afternoon. Most of this will fall overnight tonight. We're looking at from really after 8 o'clock this evening through about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. Most of that 1 to 3 will fall. That's when temperatures are going to be really supportive of us seeing accumulating snow. So at least the accumulating part, most of that will fall overnight. Afternoon, I think temperatures are too warm for snow. It looks like mostly rain. We'll see. Anything, even if it is snow, likely it's going to melt on contact all the way up until 8 o'clock. Most accumulating snow falls overnight tonight, and then a mix of snow and rain expected on Wednesday. Once again, I think temperatures are going to be just warm enough that we'll see a lot of melting going on over the course of the day on Wednesday. It's 36 now in Pittsburgh. We're expecting a high with that rain and snow chance of 43. Don't expect to see much in the way of any sunshine today. And I will tell you that model data is now starting to finally warm things up over the course of the morning hours. But notice how it drops temperatures down to 33 in Pittsburgh. I think we stay into the mid to upper 30s, and that likely means more snow and not as much in the way of snow, or more rain, I should say, and not as much in the way of snow. There's your 7-day outlook. Today is the first day of spring. Starts at 12:15. Snow chance on Wednesday, and then smaller chances for a passing shower or two Thursday and Friday.